Good morning, dear students. So, when we finish 3 chapters, I will be uploading the summary of all them together. So, we will be discussing the next 3 chapters, chapter 7, 8, and 9 summary. So, 7th chapter is experiments with water. What we learn from this chapter? This chapter helps us understand the features of water, how an object sinks and floats on water. This chapter helps us to do some experiments with water and understand the properties of water or a liquid in a better way. Is it magical to know that salt helps things with higher density float in water? While boiling eggs, when we add salt to the water, we can see that the eggs start floating. The Dead Sea is a good example of a salty ocean. Salty water can be found in all oceans and seas. The Dead Sea is the saltiest of all. Surprisingly, a person who does not know how to swim would not drown in this sea. About 300 grams of salt is found in 1 liter of water of Dead Sea. We also learned that several things dissolve with water quickly, some take time and some never dissolve. Here we can study which liquid travels faster. A pure water travels faster. Water with impurities or solution will travel slowly. Liquids with high density will travel slowly. And we also discussed many activities that we can do at home about water. So that's all about chapter 7, experiments with water. Now moving on to chapter 8, a treat for mosquitoes. Chapter 8 introduces children to the diseases caused by mosquito bites. It also explains how blood tests are done for checking which kind of pathogen is affecting the health of an infected person. We learned about how to identify a mosquito bite. Children will also learn what other diseases are related to blood that are not caused by mosquitoes. Although a mosquito is a small bug, it has the potential to kill a person. Furthermore, it can spread severe infections like malaria and dengue fever, which can lead to death. Blood test, anemia, baby mosquitoes, mosquito check are some other topics that are also covered in this chapter. We also learned about blood test. What is a blood test? A blood test is the test that counts different types of blood cells or measure the number of chemicals in the blood. What is malaria? It is an infectious disease transmitted by mosquito bites. Malaria symptoms normally occur 10 to 30 days after a person has been infected. We learned many important points, so read your chapter thoroughly and prepare your notes well. Next, we are going to chapter number 9, Up You Go. What does this chapter say? This chapter teaches us about the moral values that we human beings have to adapt. Moral values include kindness, gratitude, care, helping others, etc. A group leader has many responsibilities. He or she have to take care of each individual in the group. The important points to remember are as follows. We should always be ready to face our fears. When we are given a responsibility, we should do it completely with full effort. We also learn how to be prepared when going on an adventure. We should take care of each other and help each other in difficult situations. This chapter teaches us how difficult it is to climb a mountain. It also describes various experiences of the climbers and the hardships they have to undergo. Our fear of certain things goes away when we do adventurous things with proper guidance and support. So that's the end of this chapter. So we discussed the summary of the 3 chapters. Read your textbook very well and all the best. Thank you.